How often do you check your phone? Do you always check it at night? Or sometimes in the morning? Always and sometimes are called adverbs. These adverbs tell us how often or how frequently we do an activity. I'm your teacher Morgan. Let's start learning adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency are very useful in English. They can describe our habits and routines. For example, if someone asks you, "Do you exercise?" instead of just saying yes or no, you can be more specific. You can say, "Yes, I always exercise," or "I never exercise." Here are the most common adverbs of frequency from 100% to 0%. Always means 100% of the time. Usually, this is about 80% of the time. Often, 60 to 70% of the time. Sometimes means we do it 50% of the time. Rarely, about 20% of the time. Hardly ever is about 10%, and never is 0% of the time. Now, where do we put these adverbs in a sentence? There are two main rules. Rule number one, for normal verbs like eat, play, watch, or read, the adverb comes before the verb. Like, I always eat breakfast, not I eat always breakfast. Remember, the adverb comes before your main verb. And rule number two, if you use the be verb, the adverb comes after. Like, she is usually on time, not she usually is on time. For the be verb, the adverb comes after. And rule number three, with helping verbs like can, must, have to, the adverb goes after the helping verb, but before the main verb. Like, I can never remember his phone number. Or, they will always help their friends. We can use adverbs of frequency when talking about things we do in our free time. Here are some common free time activities. Watch TV. Read books. Play soccer. Go shopping. Listen to music. Cook. Travel. Exercise. Hiking. We can combine these activities with an adverb of frequency. Let's put the adverbs and activities together. I always read books before bed. She usually goes jogging in the morning. He rarely eats at restaurants. Now how about with the be verb? I am always busy on Mondays. Can we use adverbs of frequency in a question? Yes, we can. Here are some examples. Do you always watch TV after dinner? Does she often go to the gym? Let's check your understanding. I will show you two sentences. You tell me which is the correct one. The correct answer is A. I always drink coffee in the morning. The correct answer is A. She is usually happy at school. The correct answer is A. We sometimes go hiking in the mountains. The correct answer is A. He can always help his friends. In the comments, can you tell me something you rarely do? For example, I rarely watch TV.